So I'm sitting in the garage of Danville's Hospital in Pennsylvania. And just boring, so had a dumbass fight with my mom. Hate it when it happens between us. This isn't fair, I just don't feel good. I'm tired since I had to get up at time was it? Yeah, 5:30. Yeah, like 5:30 a.m. I had to get up so I could drive here. It takes us an hour and 25 to 30 minutes. So yeah. So 1 minute here. I am going to get out for a minute here. That was my ankle. So hopefully, last time it set the freaking car alarm off. So hopefully it won't this time. But